Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Kit Conspiracy. This is day one of using the Comfort and Joy collection from Pretty Little Studio. I'm also playing along with Mixed Media Mayhem, and we're using stars, spray, and fiber today. I've got this awesome stencil from Sandy over at Scrapping Reflections, so I'm going to use that. And I am going to use some Dilutions spray in... Hopefully I show the color. Nope, I guess I didn't. I think it's something jade. Polished jade? Something like that? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the color that I used. I'm so sorry that I am so horrible that I didn't show you that. I do have this star paper from Pretty Little Studio, and so my stars are taken care of with my spray and my paper. So stars and stencil and spray are all done. Mixed media is all checked off. I am going to tear my papers using my tearing guides from Some Assemblage Required, and I love these things. They really help me to make it look a little more jaggedy than, but have a bit of a controlled jagged edge on it. And if you don't want it super jagged, you can move your ruler along as you go, so you can kind of pick and choose what kind of dips and bumps you want it to have. And so I'm liking the way this is looking, but it is super busy. And so when it's super busy like this, I'm going to add black. I feel like black is a great way to settle everything down and really help it a little bit. I'm going to be real honest. I kind of wish I would have backed my photos with black, and I may end up going back and doing that now that the layout is completely done. I don't end up doing it right off the bat. And after editing the video, I thought, why did I not do that? I should have, and it would have probably helped it a little bit more. So that is my only side note to you. If you're going to do something like this technique and you feel like it's really busy, try backing your photos in black as well, because it's going to help them to pop just a little bit more than what it does show. So, and a lot of that is because I've got such a busy mixed media with a patterned paper. But that is, that's kind of the way things go, right? So, as you can see there, I use some black leftover paper, but I just cut it where my photos are going to cover so that I didn't have to waste a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. And I'm liking the way that that's looking. My photos are going to just be right over those spots, so those are not even going to show at all. And I did trim my entire layout down just a little bit so that I can put a black border all the way around it, which I think also helps ground the whole thing. Gives your eye just a tiny bit of a place to rest with all of that busyness going on. So I'm liking how that's coming together. And I actually have 6 photos going on this layout. So 2 of Coda and 4 of Momo. This is Christmas morning 2023. The dogs got presents too. We have never been the buy your pets a whole bunch of presents type of people. But lately, the last couple years, probably because my son buys stuff for Momo, we feel like we should buy something for Coda as well. I don't know. She's pretty spoiled already. So I'm using the tags or the tickets. These were in the cut apart sheet, and bringing in some more depth of color just to kind of like settle things down a little bit. I know I don't have a ton of color going on here, but the green is pretty bright and the pattern is pretty bold. So just trying to, I don't know, just make things so they're not quite so busy. Now, I thought about doing a banner up here, but these are actually trees. So I thought, why am I making a banner? I do have banner pieces that are like this, but why am I making a banner when I could try to use them as trees? So here I am using them as trees. I didn't think I was going to, but it worked out, and I'm just trying to figure out which patterns go well together. I think also my only gripe with this collection, I really love the collection, but there's a lot of white and a lot of light colors, so you don't have a lot of contrasting colors to layer things up with regard to the papers. And so I struggled with that just a little bit, and then trying to find the trees that are going to have enough depth of color so that they actually pop off the page and don't feel like they're just getting lost in the background with everything else going on, was a little bit of a struggle. So I kind of had to flip through several times trying to find the right trees. And I really liked that one that I just popped or just had in my hand. But that is supposed to look like a sugar cookie. The other trees don't look like sugar cookies, and I don't have any other sugar cookie pieces left because this is, in fact, not the very first layout that I did with this collection. I kind of forgot that we had Mixed Media Mayhem, so I had to go back and do this one with it. And so my sugar cookie, my other sugar cookie piece is already gone. So here I am trying to figure out what trees are going to pop that are dark enough without bringing in a different color. So there is like a light pink one, but I didn't really want to bring in light pink when everything else is green. The stars that are in the background there are actually tan. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I apologize. I'm going to show this for quite a bit here because I did not catch the rest of it on camera. For my fiber, that was the other item we were supposed to use for Mixed Media Mayhem. So I used some of my embroidery floss, wrapped it around a tree and a tag, and tied it off. I like the way that's looking. I think you didn't see me glue things down, but everything else was already represented, and I did ink everything up in some black soot distress ink, and then I added the title that says Good Girl Gifts, because, you know, when you're a good girl, you get gifts. Just, you know, she's on the good list. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have questions or comments, please leave those down below. I will get back to you as quickly as I can. And I do appreciate all of the time that you guys spend watching my channel. So come back and see me again. I'll be back. If not tomorrow, I'll be back on Sunday with another video for you for Kit Conspiracy. We're posting on Fridays, Sundays, and Tuesdays this time around. But I probably will have more videos for you than that. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.